Latwerge is originally a fruit-based remedy that was especially important in ancient medicine. This is fruit boiled down with honey, which becomes solid when boiled down. Recipes for all sorts of Latwerge can be found in various medieval recipe collections. For this video I chose a version made with sour cherries. It can be spiced with either a pinch of anise or clove powder. As a sweet, it was a gift that was given along with gingerbread, for example, at Christmas. Mixed with medicinal herbs or even opium, Latwerge was still considered a medicine until early modern times.